Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best tools in the market so you can make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we're reviewing what we consider to be the best electronic label maker currently available, the DYMO LabelManager 160 Portable Label Maker Bundle. Right out of the box, the DYMO LabelManager 160 impresses with its sleek, silver design and compact, lightweight build. This isn't some bulky desktop printer. It's made for portability. Whether you're labeling folders in your office, storage bins at home, or cables in your workshop, this label maker is designed to go wherever the job is. Once in hand, it feels intuitive. The QWERTY keyboard layout mimics a regular computer keyboard, making it easy to type with both thumbs or your index fingers, whichever you prefer. And here's where it gets interesting: the one-touch smart keys. These keys allow you to quickly access font sizes, bold, italic, underline, text orientation, and more, without cycling through menus. It's instant formatting on the go, and it makes a huge difference in speed and usability. The screen is generously sized for a handheld device. You can preview your label before printing, which cuts down on mistakes and wasted tape. The contrast is sharp, and navigation is straightforward, even for beginners. Now let's talk customization. With over 20 different text styles and more than 200 symbols built in, you're not limited to basic labels. Want bold, underlined, centered text with a star or arrow symbol? You can do that in seconds. This is especially helpful for professionals needing organization in tech environments, or parents looking to organize everything from lunchboxes to toy bins. When it comes to power, the DYMO LabelManager 160 is designed with efficiency in mind. It includes an automatic power-off feature that conserves battery when not in use, extending the life of the 6 AAA batteries it runs on. It's not rechargeable via USB, but the trade-off is true portability. You're not tethered to an outlet or power bank. The thermal printing technology means you never need ink or toner. It prints in monochrome with clean, smudge-free results every single time. And speaking of printing, this bundle comes with not one, not two, but 3 D1 label cassettes, each a ½ inch wide and 23 feet long. That's a lot of labeling right out of the gate. These D1 tapes feature black print on white tape, a classic and professional look that works in nearly any environment. And yes, the device is compatible with other DYMO D1 tapes in different widths and colors, so you're not locked into a single style. So, who's this for? Honestly, just about everyone. Office managers, teachers, IT professionals, parents, crafters, you name it. The combination of portability, smart features, customization, and label quality makes this a versatile tool you'll keep reaching for. At its current price point, even with international shipping, the value is solid, especially considering the bonus tapes. It's not just a tool, it's a system to simplify your life. If you're tired of messy drawers, unmarked cables, or disorganized shelves, the DYMO LabelManager 160 is more than a luxury, it's a necessity. For productivity, clarity, and a clean, organized life, this is a tool worth investing in. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you never miss an honest review. See you next time.